Now, this is the latest with respect to the Sedition Law, where the PILs for scrapping of sedition laws are with, in fact, the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court has sought center stand by this weekend. Now, the Chief Justice of India-led bench will be holding a day-long hearing on the May 5th. Harish joins us live for more on this. Harish, now the government had sought some more time in order to file its response, and now the court has given them the end of this week to do that.
Yes, a very significant development as far as the issue regarding debate on sedition law is concerned. After a gap of 9 months, Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice today resumed hearing in the petition seeking scrapping of sedition law on the ground that it has been widely being misused as a weapon to stifle dissent and crack down on free speech. So today the Supreme Court has given, as directed, the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, who represents the centre, to file an affidavit making it stand clear by this weekend, and said that one full day's hearing will be held on next Wednesday, that is May 5th, to decide as a final hearing in the matter. Remember, Chief Justice Ramana had on last date of hearing in way back in June 2021 spoken about the rampant misuse of the law to stifle dissent and freedom of speech, and had questioned whether the government wanted to retain the colonial era law used against Mahatma Gandhi and Bal Gangadhar Tilak for protesting against the British. The court had also noted that even state governments are of late misusing the law to fix political rivals. Remember, 60 years ago, in Kedarnath's judgment, the court held that acts involving intention or tendency to create disorder or disturbance of law and order or incitement to violence would be punishable under 124A. According to sources, Centre is likely to defend the sedition law. Centre is likely to state orally that the provision cannot be totally revoked or scrapped at a time when the country faces increased terror threats and acts endangering the safety, sovereignty and security of the country. Most likely, the Centre will tell the Supreme Court in an affidavit that guidelines are already in place in the Kedarnath Singh judgment. So, if required, the Supreme Court can make some tweaking on the parameters can be laid down. But this sedition law should remain in the statute. Now, Centre is also likely to say that just because a law is misused, it need not be scrapped. The high courts are always there to quash FIRs if it is found that people are being harassed using this law.
Right. Harish, thank you so much for joining us with all those details.